Friends, Beniar BY5121 is one of the best looking Beniar automatic watch currently being sold on their website. And this brand was established in 2012 and has become so popular, and the primary reason is their aggressive price point. I think they have done reasonably well. They have established their brand worldwide. And the reason why I'm saying that BY5121 is considered to be one of the best watch offered by Beniar, at least by me, because it's an automatic watch and it comes with a skeleton dial. The blue skeleton dial will give you a hint of sunray effect. It's flashy and big watch which can be a perfect party companion. You might ask me why all of a sudden a video getting released on Watch and More India in English. The reason is, when I was looking for this watch Ben 5121 and I was looking for a quality review on YouTube, I couldn't find one, especially in English. So I thought, I'll be anyway releasing a detailed review video in Hindi. Why can't I make one English video? And globally, if anyone is eyeing on this watch and planning to purchase but unable to decide because there is no quality English review, they can get benefited from my work. And that's why I'm making this video also in English, and I hope you would like it. Let's check the price, guys. Now, it's a steal deal. If you look at it, it comes under $50. I literally paid about $45 Indian currency converted amount of INR 3690. Can't expect more at that price point. I have one advice to all of you: do experiment with watch straps and bracelet. I have done a couple of experiments. Those videos are towards the end of the video. Do watch the video till end, and you will get amazed at how the look changes while I swap the straps. Like all Beniar watches, this watch also comes in a black color paper box. The barcode that you can see here talks about the model number BY5121, and I would say they have not spent a lot of money on the packaging, which is perfectly fine considering the price point. And let's unbox it and let's give you a feeling of how the watch looks like. Before we get to the real unboxing, let me quickly talk about the channel and motivation why I created this channel. So I'm basically into watches since my college days, and I love talking about watches. I spend 30 to 45 minutes every day morning with all my watches, cleaning them, manually winding them and all. So I just thought that why can't I create a platform where like-minded people can talk about their hobby, watch, and they can help each other out. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, I humbly request you to please subscribe and support us. If you have liked the video, do like and share with your friends. Stay tuned, keep watching. I'm gonna remove the outer black paper box so that I can bring out the inner box, which is the primary box. And the inner box, as usual, comes with a leather finish, but it is made out of paper at the end of the day, and there is a big Beniar logo at the central position. When I'm opening this, the first thing that comes out is a watch cleaner cloth, microfiber with Beniar branding. Then there is a top cover, which is not to be reused, and then the warranty document and the user manual. And we'll keep them aside and we'll focus on the watch. And here is the watch. Ben 5121 is an automatic mechanical skeleton watch with premium quality handcrafted genuine leather matte black strap. And this watch comes with a case diameter of 45 millimeter. Let me remind you, the size is slightly bigger, so if you are not comfortable wearing big size watch, this might not be the timepiece for you. The watch dial is protected by a curved domed mineral crystal, which gives a 3D effect to the watch, and it looks fantastic. This is my personal opinion. The watch case is made out of steel alloy, and it is beautifully polished, shiny, and it looks really premium when you touch it and feel it. There is no sharp edges. It fits perfectly fine on your wrist. Stainless steel case back with see-through window. The see-through window is made out of mineral crystal itself, and it's amazing to see the PTS movement inside when you just turn back the watch. Watch face is skeleton type with blue color tone, and it has got slight sunray effect on it. Straight line hour marking with minute marking on the inner bezel. And you will find the Banier branding at 12 o'clock position, very nicely positioned and nicely finished. Hour and minute hand with lume, but let me remind you, the lume is not nowhere comparable to what Seiko offers. This is a budget watch, so your expectation on lume should be accordingly. And the second hand is usual still finish watch, but overall the finish is good. Big size, nicely made crown at 3 o'clock position. Trust me, when you hold the crown, touch it, and when you try to manually wind the watch, it feels really premium. The watch comes with 30-meter water resistance. Needless to say, this watch is not for extensive water exposure. Slight water exposure is fine, but you need to be careful while exposing your watch to water. 24mm lug size and all standard leather, silicone rubber or fabric NATO strap would fit. Even if you are planning to replace the stock leather strap with a metal bracelet, you need to make sure that you are buying 24mm lug size steel bracelet, and it would perfectly fit. This watch is powered by G3265Z caliber, which is a PTS made automatic movement. Reasonably accurate considering the price point. It gains about 17 seconds a day, which is I think perfectly acceptable. The watch is slightly thicker, and that's why I don't call it a dress watch. It's 15mm thickness watch, and I would rather prefer to call it a casual party wear watch. The thing that I was mentioning regarding the 3D look, look at the watch. I'm not sure how much justice the camera is able to do, but I can get an amazing kind of a depth look through the mineral crystal. The mineral crystal is slightly kind of a convex type thing, which increases the depth of the watch. Plus, as because it is a skeleton watch, so you can actually see the entire smaller parts of the movement, and when you move the watch in front of your eyes, it creates amazing visual effect, and this is so amazing to look at. So I am personally I have become a fan of this watch, and I have been wearing this watch in various social gathering parties and all, and definitely multiple people asked about this watch, and even from the see-through window, if you take a look at the movement, it looks amazing. And now finally it's the time to wear the watch on my wrist, so that you can take a look at it when you are actually gonna wear it. I'm wearing it with the stock strap, which is a handcrafted leather side stitched black color genuine leather strap, and definitely it looks fantastic, and the touch and feel of the leather strap is excellent, and it looks amazing. Of course, you can definitely try with some other watch strap combination, which I'm doing next, but according to me, the look of the watch is scoring 7.5 out of 10, if not more, considering the price point. Now my next experiment is, I have just swapped the stock leather strap with a silicone white color strap, and this is how it looks. Of course, the combination of the white strap with the skeleton dial, which has got a blue hint, I think this color combination is definitely eye-catchy, and this is also scoring equally well. The last experiment that I am doing today is changing the strap with a silicone trendy with some trendy graphics, and this gray color strap is also complementing the blue color dial pretty well, and you can definitely comment and let me know which combination do you like the most. I'm trying to show all three watches in the same screen so that you can compare them side by side, and do comment and let me know which one should I stick to. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you have liked my work. Request you to subscribe and like this, and we will meet you again next week with a new topic, with a new watch discussion. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, and see you soon.